the most realistic AI videos I have generated so far. It turned me into an actor, that too for my own ad. Watch this video. Amazing. Avatar is very realistic. It's very much looking like me, and at the same time, other details are top notch, right? Everything that is generated is looking very realistic. So, I am very much impressed with the output. So, if you are a coach, consultant, a solopreneur, a content creator who is telling stories, who is creating content, who is running ads, then what you can do is you can leverage AI to create these kind of videos in which you are the part of the video, you are there telling the story, acting in the video, and connecting with your audience. Your audience wants to see you, right? Your audience is interested to watch you, and when you are there in even in your virtual avatar telling a story, it will hit differently, right? It will build the trust, it will connect with your audience, and you will stay on the top of the mind of your audience, right? Now, how you will achieve this with the help of AI, how you turn yourself into an actor for your own brand with the help of AI. Let's find out in this video. Higgsfield AI is changing the game, and its Cinema Studio, the new feature that they have launched. This Cinema Studio is so powerful, and I find it really accurate when it comes to creating my digital avatar, because it just turned one of my photo, because it just turned one of my photo into a very realistic version of me in the video, right? So let's find out how we did this. So basically what I did is just log in to your Higgsfield AI account, and if you don't have an account, I will just give the link in the description. Just go check it out. You can create an account and start using it. So inside Cinema Studio, I created these clips, and I turned that into the video. And how I did it, what was the workflow? Let me just share it with you. So basically, first you need prompts to generate images, and then we turn those images into videos, and there is a transition that will happen from one frame to the other. All will be handled by the AI. You don't have to do anything. So basically, the first step that I followed, go to chat gpt, and what you will do, you I have just written this prompt that I want to create a video to show the life of a busy working professional who wakes up in the morning, commute to office, work whole day, and come back and work on the business he is building along with job. He has kids, family. It's going to be a cinematic style video that we will create with Higgsfield AI. So help me write prompts to generate each scene. Let's create 5 scenes that will go in sequence and create a short film. Keep the same character that will be in each scene. Okay, so character consistency is mandatory. Now what happened is it has actually given me these 5 scenes, 5 prompts for each scene that we have in the video. These are the prompts, and we use these prompts to generate images. Now when I was generating the images, I tried their image generation tool, the image inbuilt image generation in Higgsfield Cinema Studio, and I also used chat gpt. Okay, and what happened is, I will show you the comparison. As you can see, the images that I have generated inside ChatGPT. So these are the images. Okay, this is the image that I have generated inside ChatGPT, and this is the image. Let me show you the image in Cinema Studio. Here you can see the images, right? This is the image which seems very realistic to me. Okay, and you can see it's me. It's my AI avatar that it generated, and I just dropped one single image of me, a selfie of mine, and this is the selfie. This is the selfie. If you can see, this was the selfie, and it uses the exact t-shirt and everything, and you can see it has created these images, right? So it's it's mind blowing, I think, because it looked like me, and I just uploaded one of my photo and it turned it into so realistic videos. So it was a kind of mind blowing for me, because not any other tool I have tried in the past did this kind of work. Okay, so this is the first thing. Now what we did is uh, we just copied these prompts one by one. Okay, here I have just copied the prompt, and what I did is I go to Higgsfield in Cinema Studio. I pasted the prompt here and I selected the image. Okay, I have uploaded one of my selfie, because I want myself into the video. If you don't want yourself in the video, you don't need to upload it. But in this video I am actually showing you that how you can be an actor inside your own content, in your videos, in your ads, in your stories that you are telling with the help of videos, right? So uploading an selfie will be the good idea. Now you have uploaded your selfie. By clicking here you can do this. Simply just click here and you will see this option, upload image. Just upload it and you are good to go, basically. Then just hit this button, generate. Let me just put it here so that you will be able to see it clearly. Okay, hit generate, and what will happen is it will start generating the image, and you will get all the images. Okay, so just copy paste all the prompts one by one. Whatever may be the number of scenes you want to create, just tell chat gpt according to it, and it will write all the prompts. You will just copy them one by one and you will generate all the images. Now once you have all the images done, what we will do is we will just turn them into a video. And turning them into video actually need an additional step. So what you will do, first step you will do is you will go into chat gpt, and you will ask it to now create the transition prompt for scene from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and 4 to 5. Okay, so basically it is gonna, what it's gonna do, it's gonna create the prompts that will help me to transition from one scene to other scene. Okay, even though it is gonna, if you will just simply use Higgsfield AI and you will not do any kind of prompts, even then it is gonna do the amazing transitions. I have tried in one of the video and the transition was very smooth. But if you want the transition as per your need, okay, you want a particular type of transition, then you have to tell the AI that what kind of transition you want, right? And you can even write it here, right, inside the chat gpt. Here where I have generated, you can even write and explain in more detail, right, what kind of transitions you want, okay, from one scene to another scene. Okay, and once you got the transition prompt, you will simply just copy the first transition prompt, which is for scene 1 to scene 2. And what you will do is you will come here in the video option. Okay, you will paste the prompt here. Okay, just paste the prompt here, and then what you will do is you will select the frames images. Okay, so you have all your frames images here. You already have all your images generated inside Higgsfield AI. You will select the frame one, and you will see here image generations. All the images that you have generated will be shown here. You will just pick the images. For example, let's say this is the first frame, and let's say this is the second frame where I am sitting in the bus. Okay, and then I will just simply hit generate. And what it will do is it will turn it into a video with the transition that you have given. Okay, because you have pasted the transition details here, so it will generate the transitions accordingly. And now you will repeat the same process again by going from image 2 to image 3. So you will copy this prompt. Okay, and then you will go here and you will change the images. Just remove these two images, click here, choose this image as the first image and the next image as your second image, and hit generate again. uh, don't forget to paste the new prompt here. Okay, just paste the new prompt here and hit generate again, and just keep doing this thing, and you will see like it will keep generating the videos in few minutes, and you will get the videos like this. Okay, as you can see, it's damn smooth, right? So you will get the videos like this, and when you get all the clips generated, just download them, import them in any of the video editor, stitch them together, and you are good to go. You will have your video ready. Okay, you can add the voiceover, and you are good to go with the video, with the content. Okay, so this is one of the best way to create your AI avatar and turn it into an actor, and create content and create ads as a solopreneur, as a coach, as a consultant. And if you will do it, and if you will use it to run ads, it is definitely going to grab the attention, and the performances of your ads can also improve. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna use it for this purpose. So just tell me in the comment section how you are gonna use this tool for your content creation. So I hope that you got the complete workflow how we did it. Basically, we used chat gpt to generate all the scenes. Okay, we have just we just prompted the chat gpt to generate all the scenes. Then we used cinema studio option of the Higgsfield AI, and we have generated all the images here. Then we turned them into the video by making the transitions from frame 1 to frame 2, frame 2 to frame 3, and so on. And this way we got all our clips, and then we just clubbed them together, stitched them together in a video editor, and got the video. And you can do it in just few minutes, and you are good to go. So I hope that you find the video interesting and useful. I would love to know your opinion in the comment section. That's all for this particular video. I have tons of videos on my channel related to marketing, content creation, building systems. Just go watch them. You may be watching the card on the screen. Just tap in and watch that video also. Thank you so much.